Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday. I'm 20 years old today. I asked for at least 100 subscribers for my birthday and I got 100. I would like to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel. A very big thank you. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. You might be asking where I'm going. I'm not going anywhere. Today is my birthday, so I have to get dressed and take some pictures. So I just got out of the bathroom. I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'm going to try and put on some eyelash. I'm not a makeup artist and I'm not good at makeup. I don't have everything that I would normally use because I'm not home. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the pencil that I'm using to do my eyebrows. I'm going to look in the mirror and do my eyebrows. I can't follow this phone because it make me draw foolishness. So this is eyebrow number 1. I'm not doing it bright. I'm just doing something simple. So I'm going to do the other one off camera. So these are my eyebrows. I'm gonna make me know if they look even too, no? I don't have any concealer. Only thing I have is my eyebrow pencil and my lip gloss. So I'm going to do my lips. May I sweat? I'm going to do my lips. Oh, this is a lip gloss that I'm using. I've never done my eyelashes by myself before. I'm just going to try something. So if you see me without it, then you know say don't go on properly. I'm not gonna try to attempt to put on this on camera because me not sure if I can do it. Look for my eyelash, people. Me never try to put on it because we can't put on this. So me go take it off. Or let me try one next time, one last time. When I know if this look good, so maybe me take off because I don't know. This look, it look lopsided to me. So I'm gonna try put on the next one and see how it look, and then we know what my decision when me come back. Look what me turn myself in now. big piece of papi show. Catching the need to teach me to do this. This is not. Let me just wear my eyelash them because this now work for me. Me try again one next day. So the lashes aren't working for me. I have some earrings here, some hoops. I think I'm going to use the biggest one. I'm going to use the biggest one. I'm going to remove these. This is the first time I'll be removing them. I don't think I'm going to use this big one since my head ball. I'm going to use the second biggest one. It practically look like the same thing to me, but me I go keep in the one here. I'm going to comb my hair now. No, I'm go put on my clothes. So this is what I'm going to put on. It's a suit. I'm going to show you the suit when I'm finished. So I'm going to use this big comb and just comb out my hair so that it look groomed. I was going to go to a brunch today, but coronavirus caused it for cancel. So I'm just staying in like what the government said we're supposed to do. So my hair is combed now. I'm going to put on some lotion and some spray because me have to smell sweet. No want some too? So this is my outfit. So this is my birthday look. It's just something simple. As I said, I'm not going anywhere, I'm just going outside. So thank you again to everyone that subscribed to my channel. A very big thank you, because you guys are the one that make this channel what it is, because you are the persons that motivate me to put out more content. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.